ako po ay tumatayo po sa inyo dito. Not to deal with past issues or issues that are legal, but more of a giving of a statement that we want to work for the people because they are waiting for that. Tama na po ang politika. Sawang-sawa na po yung mga tao. Ang gusto po nilang makita na kami pong mga hinalal nila, magtrabaho po kami kasi yung po ang inaasahan po nila.
Sir, last one. When you first heard about the PRO, what was the reaction? Ano yung unang pumasok sa isip?
The first time, it was not verified. So, we were all teary-eyed. We were all jumping for joy, but there was no confirmation. Parang, ano pa lang bali-balita pa lang. So, nung malaman namin na finally, ito po ay ginran ka ng Court of Appeals. Talagang sobrang katuwaan. At meron rin pong kalungkutan. Kasi dumating na nga po yung bunsong anak ko. At gaya nung nabanggit ko ng mga isang pag-uusap po natin, moving up din, nag-graduate po yung daughter ko. And I missed it this morning. So I was watching the video while waiting for the TRO. 5 nights na rin po ako rito na mag-isa po tayo na nahiwalay dun sa pamilya. But seriously speaking, I will be meeting our department heads after this press conference, and I will be talking to to the members of the City Council to put things in order. Kasi ilang araw din po tayong nagkaroon ng problema dito, and napakarami pong kailangan gawin.